Now in the next case, we will be copying this row element from here. This is the simplest one. We don't need anything complicated. So we will be copying it, and here we will be pasting it. This is the first case, and we are about to remove this button class which has been used earlier. Now in this particular case, we will be using an icon with our individual button element. Now a button can have only a single icon into it. So to insert an icon into it, the first thing we are going to do, we will be needing a single div element here. There it goes, where we are mentioning it as UI level. Here it is. Now inside it, all we are about to do, we will be creating a button class of UI icon basic till button. Now inside this button element, we will be practically using an icon, an icon class. So let's say we are using this cloud icon, and next the button closes here. So as we can see that in this first case, we have created a wrapping or parenting div element which is using a class of UI level. In the next case, we are creating a button inside it which is individually holding up, using up some individual classes like this icon UI or icon basic till. So we are practically using a basic button here with some definite style properties set to it. And next, inside this button, we are using, this will be a definite error because we have misspelled this class spelling here, and there goes the cloud, and along with it we need to use this icon class. So everything is right now placed right into the position where they should have been, and every error is been resolved. Now if we press Ctrl S and head back to our project and reload, we can see that this is the result. So we have practically used a button element along with an icon into it. Now for say, if we use this fluid class, the purpose of which is practically to take up the whole container width. So if we now use this fluid class right over here, what should be the result? We can see that this is the obvious result. The button element is now taking up the whole container width, and the icon is placed right at the middle of this individual button.